Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing good. I have a review today for you guys. I got this product at Amazon and it's called BestLand Handayan Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Apologies if I'm not saying it right. Handayan Matte Liquid Eyeliner, and it has all these beautiful shades. It says instructions for subtle look: place the liquid eyeliner against the first lash on the upper lash line and gradually draw a line from the inner to the outer corner of the eye. Made in China, manufactured 2/3/2023, expiration is 2/2/2026. So this is the stuff in the back, information. I was trying to find some eyeliners on Amazon to review, and these had a lot of stars. I believe it almost had like 4.5 stars out of 5 stars. So let's get started, guys. So these BestLand eyeliners were around 13 something cents, so around $14. So these eyeliners actually come in a 12 count, and they have different ones. They have like the matte ones, they have like neon ones, they have different ones, and it comes in a 12 count. Let's go ahead and okay, so these are all individually wrapped. Oh, and they're numbered. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're numbered. All of them are numbered, and they're individually wrapped. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and open them. Ooh. Okay, this is kind of hard to open. There we go. First one down, 11 more to go. Again, I'm not sponsored. I bought these with my money. I'm doing this review for you guys just in case you guys also want to try different colored eyeliners and want something conveniently delivered to your home. On the Amazon description of like what it's called, bear with me, it says, and I quote, BestLand 12 Colors Matte Liquid Eyeliner Set, Rainbow Colorful Neon Eyeliner Pencil, Pigmented Waterproof Smudge-Proof, Long-Lasting Gel Eyeliner Christmas Makeup Gift Kit for Women, Set A. And they have different sets. So they have 5 different sets, and 2 of the sets are $9.99. The other ones are around $11. Well, right now they're on special for $11, but their actual price is around 13 something, which is what I got. So for right now, guys, I'm really struggling on opening these. Like the plastic, I don't know if you guys can tell me while I'm opening these, but it's like really hard in a way, and you have to find like the little thing to open it. It does have those lines, like the ridge lines, that supposedly you just bring it down from there and it automatically just cuts well. Well, no it doesn't. So I'm struggling opening the eyeliner. I'm struggling opening the eyeliners because it's not cutting it where that little line is at. And this is really taking me about 15 minutes to open all of them. And like I said, it doesn't open at the little line, so you have to. Now that I opened it, I don't know, it seems it has like some eyeliner already, like at the top area, like right there, and also here. This one has it smudged all over. And then this orange one seems to be kind of empty. I'm doing this review on what I think, on how I feel it, and I'm gonna let you guys know my view, my perspective on these BestLand eyeliners. So let's go ahead and swatch them. So these are the eyeliners swatched. They don't have names. They're just blue, purple, yellow color. No, it's not really. Okay, that one's not drying well, but these are like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try on the eyeliners and I'll let you guys know. I don't know if you guys can tell here, the pink smudged into my eyelash. And then over here, the yellow was very liquid. So guys, this is the final product. What do you guys think? Okay, so now I'm gonna get started on what I think about this product. First and foremost, the packaging, I didn't like it. It took forever to try and take off this plastic off the eyeliners. For me, it's not necessary once you already get the package itself and it's like closed. But I guess they add it for more protection so people can know that they're brand new. I took around 15 minutes just trying to take off these little film plastic things from the eye. I also didn't like that it has a strong scent. So it has like this baby powder kind of chemical scent. It's very strong and I don't like the scent. Another thing that I didn't like is the brush tip. So the application brush is either going to be kind of cricket and it was really hard to put on. Others are going to be a little bit more smooth. But the green one really bothered me because it has like this like ridge that the brush is not even and it felt uncomfortable and really rough on my eyelid. So I didn't like it. I know that when you're packaging a lot of makeup, things can come out not perfect, and I totally get that. But once they have the wrapping and it seems like they were already opened or returned and then just put back in that wrapping, I don't like that. I mean, there's product all over these eyeliners, and I don't know if it was like a manufacturer kind of process that they, I don't know, it spilled a little or whatnot, but it kind of seems like when you're opening it, you use it, you dip it in, and a little bit of the product gets stuck there. So I don't know. I'm just saying, this is just my review, my honest opinion. First yellow that I put on, and you saw that, it was literally liquid. Like, it wasn't even like the color itself, it was more like water. So of course after I had to go over it, but I didn't like how it applied. The colors are pretty. The colors are really pretty. You can tell the colors, you can see them. But some of them are very streaky and they do dry fast. So if you make a mistake and you try to get in there to fix it, it's too late. I have it on and I smell that kind of baby powder. I don't know if you guys can see my eyelashes. They got some of those colors in them because it ran down to my eyelash itself. So my final rating out of 10, I would rate it. I had a lot of cons, more cons than pros. The pro is that I really like the colors. They show up, especially once you start applying it over and over. Would I use these again? Yes, I would. I like them. The only thing is that I don't like how it's very watery. And I also don't like the fact that it dries really, really fast. So even if I go in there and try to fix it with something or another brush, it doesn't let me. The smell is just really bad, guys. But for beginners, even if you're advanced and you want some quick eyeliners, different ones, conveniently delivered to your home, these are your go-to, guys. The only pros were that the price, it was around $13. Sometimes they have them on special. I had a lot of trouble with them. Yours might not be like that. Again, I can't stress this enough. It's my opinion of just wanting to let you guys know before you purchase them off from Amazon. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a like if you liked it and if you want to see more reviews. Also, go check out my other videos if you haven't done so yet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you have, thank you so much. And again, I hope you guys have a good morning, evening, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.